Lot W355 is a 1969 Ford Mustang Mach 1 Fastback with a 390 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission, and it sold for $44,000 on Wednesday, January 14th at Kissimmee, Florida. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 58,298 miles, and the highlights are in storage from 1975 to 2007. Rebuilt 390 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 engine, bored 30 over. Rebuilt C6 automatic transmission with replacement gaskets. Acapulco blue exterior, white interior, replacement dash, bucket seats with replacement seat covers, fold down rear seat sourced from a different 1969 Mach 1, crossover H-style dual exhaust, Flowmaster 50 mufflers, and BF Goodrich radial TA tires. And this one I filmed at the Mecum Dallas auction back in October, but something happened and it wound up at the Mecum Kissimmee auction in January, I believe, and that's where it's sold. But it looks to me to be a original car. Looks like it's an original paint on it, and it was in long-term storage there, and apparently somebody took it out of storage and got it up to snuff for running and everything. So if you like original cars, this was definitely one for you to buy. And it was the right color, being Acapulco blue with the white interior. Definitely had a good look to it. Had a lot of eyeball, as we say in the business. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.